For Judy Fletcher, working with the community is why she got into quilting.
We like to be very social. We like to share our designs.
And while Fletcher has made her fair share of quilts, she's now putting together something else.
Never thought I'd be making masks or gowns or caps.
A nationwide shortage of personal protective equipment for healthcare workers has caused lots of concern across the nation, which made Fletcher want to help.
As a quilter and a sewer, you think, wow, somebody got to help with that.
Dr. Tiffany Summer-Sheely from Methodist Women's Hospital saw the issue with PPE and decided to take material called halyard, found in operating rooms, that's normally thrown away, and turn it into isolation gowns, which doctors and nurses wear when treating respiratory illnesses. She made a few gowns, but knew she needed some help and got in touch with Patricia Longacre.
She had already made a bunch, and then Methodist looked at it and kind of decided, let's try to do this.
Longacre co-founded Nebraska Masks for Medicine, where volunteers have already been making masks and caps for healthcare workers, and decided to help Summer-Sheely.
We could not do it on our own, even though she was trying by herself, but we're just glad to be able, she needs to be a doctor. She doesn't need to be, sewing, so we can help with that.
Holly Murphy Barstow is the other co-founder. From there, Celtic Quilters started cutting out the patterns for the gowns, and all the material goes in these kits that volunteer quilters pick up and put together, and the response has been overwhelming.
We will spend all day answering the phone just for, can I come get a kit? How do I sign up to get a kit? How can I help? Can I drop something off? Can I donate elastic? So it's been amazing.
We are only as good as our team of volunteers, and I will say that it is really an honor to be a Nebraskan, because no matter what we ask, somebody says yes.
And for Fletcher, she's glad to be doing her part for the community.
I think it's really important to give back to the community and be a part of the community. So it felt wonderful to be able to help out where it was needed.
And if you're interested in learning ways to help out with sewing or putting together masks or gowns, visit our website 3newsnow.com.